It's 11 p.m. She is lying in the bed with her phone out. She has 3 med spa websites open in 3 tabs, and she's been researching for 2 weeks. She is not impulse buying Botox. She's trying to answer 2 simple questions. What does this cost, and who is holding the needle? If your website forces her to call your office during business hours tomorrow, she isn't going to call. She's going to switch tabs and book with the site that answered her right now. That is a leak. Every missed call and cold lead you deal with during the day sits downstream from that single moment. My name is David Potter. Before we dive into the design, full disclosure, the site on my screen, Fieldhouse Aesthetics, it's a demo. It's not a real practice, but the engineering behind it is 100% real, and it applies whether you run a med spa, clinic, or any type of local service business. Let's look at how we plug the leaks. Look at the top header. The main call to action isn't contact us, it's book an appointment. It stays pinned on every screen at every position. Why? Because she does not want to negotiate over the phone with a receptionist. She wants to pick a time, confirm her booking, and go to sleep. If you force a phone call onto someone doing quiet nighttime research, you break trust before you ever meet her. Next, look at the navigation. Pricing and gallery sit front. Behind a consultation request tells her one thing. This is going to be a high-pressure sales pitch. Stating clearly weeds out the window shoppers and builds instant credibility with ready buyers. Right next to pricing is clinical proof. And before and after gallery isn't an afterthought. It's your core sales argument. Notice the headline at the top. Nurse practitioner and owned and operated. Injectables are medical procedures. Showing real credentials, this is how it would be, alongside conservative natural results, reassures her that she won't walk out looking overdone. Notice the color palette. Most med spas default to rose gold or warm pink, but those are warm tones clash with skin undertones and before and after photos. We chose clinical sage green. Green sits opposite red on the color wheel. It makes skin toned read accurately in photos while giving us a high contrast buttons that draw the eye straight to booking. Every detail design element exists to serve conversion, not just to look pretty. Now, a great website plugs the front door, but it doesn't solve what happens next. A website won't text a patient back when she abandons a form halfway through it. It won't send an automated review request 2 weeks after her treatment. You don't just need a better homepage, you need an automated back-end system that catches the patient the moment she raises her hand. Because 5 minutes later, if you don't reply to a lead, 300% chance less likely they'll do business with you. So if you run a local practice or service business and want to fix your booking pipeline, just send me an email at david@automatewithdavid.io. Put website review in the subject line and I'll take a look at your current site and tell you exactly where the 11 p.m. leak is happening. If you're not ready for a review yet want to see more systems analysis, follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.